for me, it's just having this almost connection in an interdisciplinary way where we can share our passion for this field gives me the energy and the devotion and the energy that I need to actually continue teaching in this course and to continue reaching out to people like Sara.
I also really loved working with Raluca, and we met before the class to discuss how my lecture would fit into her course's syllabus, and it was really great just to hear about and learn from her teaching philosophy, and also to see firsthand the ways that she's managed to incorporate so many different fields and viewpoints from all over the university.
I really enjoyed the process of working together and felt like it was easy and straightforward, and he reached out ahead of time to work together to ensure that the lecture met the course goals.
It was a great opportunity to try and take my background in media, my experience with Al Gore's Climate Reality Project, and what I've been learning at the Social Justice Institute, and put those all together.
It's just encouraging and reinforcing to see that my personal philosophy is to really bring a problem-based approach, to try to bring people from the field and it's even more rewarding to have students from UBC to build scholarship and to build a community where you can build those mentorships as well. So it was really enriching overall, and I'm again really grateful that this connector exists.
It's so wonderful to hear that people were inspired by the lecture, and I think hopefully that they learned a few different things.
They took away these main points of thinking beyond just doing the research to then talking about these complex issues and to the audience that they're working with, and what is their role as the researcher, and how does their positionality affect their research.
Wow. I didn't know all that. That's very cool. I mean, so I'm on the right track.
You're on the right track. So I think it brings a level of expertise into the course that is a great resource for instructors.
I personally believe it fosters a lot of just not only connection with people, but also creativity and collaboration, which is what we really need, an interdisciplinary approach to actually address these complex challenges that come as a result of climate change. So I find it very inspiring, and I really, really do hope that other faculty reach out. It's been amazing.